Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Torres and this is my presentation on the 100-year flood. What is a flood and what does it mean? A flood is an overflow of water that is usually on dry land. This means that a flood can cause serious damage to its surroundings because floods usually happen with heavy storms, hurricanes, or tsunamis. On July of 2017, northern Japan was hit with heavy rain and caused terrible disasters with horrible flooding. According to an article on Sky News Daily, rescue workers were in a race against time to save people that were caught in devastating records of rain that killed at least 100 people. As the images show here, rescue workers are risking their lives in saving others from massive flooding in the streets of Japan, taking them to safety. The 100-year flood event. A flood that has a 1% probability of occurring in any given year according to data. Similarly, a 100-year storm that is a term used to describe a rainfall event that has a 1% probability of happening. This doesn't necessarily mean that in 100 years a flood will happen, and then after that flood happens, another 100 years will pass for another flood to happen. It just means that a flood can happen in any given year, that there's a 1% chance that it can happen. It can also happen during the next year, and so on. The difference between a 2-year flood and a 100-year flood is that the 2-year flood has a 50% less chance of happening and is less damaging than the 100-year flood, which is more damaging and more severe. These are my references. Thank you.